Hi guys, it's Brendan here from Liberty Park Music, and I hope you're ready to expand on the Cumbia groove that we've already learnt in previous lessons. Today we're going to add the maracas, or approximate the maracas on the drum kit. If we're going to approximate the maraca rhythm and the sound on the drum kit, we first of all need to know what the rhythm is and what the maraca plays in cumbia music. If you've been listening to plenty of cumbia music before, you will have heard this maraca rhythm in most cumbia songs, but this is how it sounds. So we need to find an instrument on our drum kit which accurately reproduces, or as accurately as possible, reproduces the sound of the maraca. So you won't use a bass drum, that doesn't sound anything like a maraca. Likewise, you probably won't use the toms, they don't sound enough like a maraca. We need an instrument that we can manipulate to create a long sound and then a short sound. And I think the perfect thing on the drum kit for doing that is the hi-hat. If we splash our heel into the pedal, we're going to get a long sustained sound. And if we use our toes and clamp our toes down at the top of the pedal, we're going to get a shorter staccato sound. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll go so toe and then heel, toe, heel. So on the 1 and the 3, we've got the short, tight sound, and then on the 2 and the 4, we've got the more sustained, long sound. So and this is how it'll sound.